Okay, in this video I will show you how to set up your own blog on your own server. I know it's not directly related to translation, but I decided to set up my own blog and I thought it could be of interest for other translators. As you will see, it is very easy. So now I'm going to wordpress.org and I'm downloading the latest version of WordPress. It will take some time. I'll make a pause and go back when it's ready. Okay, now we're done, so I'll open the folder. There's the zip file I just downloaded, and I will extract the content of that zip file. Okay, now I'll go back to my browser and I'll go to the management interface of my website. There's something called cPanel. I will log in, and in cPanel I'll go to something called MySQL databases, and here I'll create a new database for my blog, which I will call WP blog. Create database. Okay. Now I'll create a user, which I will call WP blog user. I'll generate a password. I'll save that password in a separate text file, and at the same time I'll save the other information. So the database was WP blog and the username WP blog user. Okay, so I can use that password and create the user. Now, next thing I'll do is assign the user I just created to the database I created, add, and I'll give that user all privileges. Okay, so I'm done with the MySQL stuff. I can log out, close that window in fact, and I'll go back to Windows Explorer, and the folder I downloaded, I extracted, I will rename it to blog. I'll open it, and there's a file called wconfig sample, which I will rename to wconfig.php, and I'll edit that file by changing the database. So I'll enter my database WP blog. The username was WP blog user, and the password I'll copy paste it here. Okay, and I'll save that file and I can close it. Now I can go to my FTP software, which is FileZilla. I will connect to my web server, and what I will do is I'll copy the blog folder and all its content to the public HTML folder. That will take some time because there are quite many files, so I'll make a pause and wait until it's ready. Now I'm almost ready. There are only about 10 files left. Okay, now everything has been transferred, so I can go back to my browser, and I'll go to the blog folder I created, and I will add wp admin/install.php. I'll give my site name. I'll enter a password. I will use the same password I had here. And I'll enter my email. And I'll press install. Now WordPress has been installed, and I can go to my blog here, and here is my freshly installed blog. If I want to go to the admin side, I will use admin, and I can log in as admin, and the password I just entered, login, and I can use the management interface of WordPress. That's how easy installing WordPress is.